Hello, I'm Carl Baca with Owens Corning Marketing, and we are here at 2016 IRE. The topic here right now is roofing system selling. Quite often contractors tell us that selling the system to homeowners, while it's the right thing to do, can quite often be very technical and very complex. And what we've done is we've simplified that story. Our system is the Owens Corning Total Protection Roofing System. And where we position this to homeowners is that your roofing system should really do three things: seal, defend, and breathe. Very simple language that any homeowner can understand. And how we explain that is we go into each one of those three words. As with seal, really, you're helping create a waterproof barrier. And the two products that you'd be talking about with the homeowners are underlayment and ice and water barrier, to give them the concept of what the different pieces are within the roof. Why seal? Well, it helps prevent rot and mold. It blocks water resulting from ice damming and wind-driven rains and normal water flow. And a properly sealed roof helps prevent rot and mold. Once the homeowner understands that, the problem and the solution, you can then get into the right products that are right for them, such as WeatherLock self-sealing ice barrier, deck defense, roof underlayment, or Pro Armor synthetic roof underlayment. Okay, that's seal. Now you go to the second concept, defend. A lot of homeowners don't know there's really three types of shingles on their roof. There's the shingles that they know and love, but there's also the starter shingle and the hip and ridge shingle. So why is defend? Well, we're helping protect against nature's elements, and really helps prevent blow off and helps protect against the vulnerable areas such as the eaves and peaks. And then again, once you've explained that to homeowners, here's the products that we're going to be talking about: starter shingles, the full line of Owens Corning shingles in different shapes and colors, and then hip and ridge shingles. And then finally, we have breathe. So that's often a new concept to homeowners. They may understand seal and defend already, as we're talking about blocking rain, water, or helping defend against wind. But with breathe, and really for balanced attic ventilation, that's a great opportunity for the contractor to really educate the homeowner on a completely new concept, and that's something that benefits their roof tremendously. So with breathe, it's really simple. We're talking about intake vents and exhaust vents. And balanced attic ventilation helps prevent mold, helps reduce ice damming and heat buildup, but it keeps that airflow going through the attic to manage temperature and moisture. So once they understand that concept, then you can get into the products we're talking about with the various venture, inflow, or intake vents and exhaust vents. And then simply you sum it up. So for total protection, total confidence, for the peace of mind for your biggest investment, which is your home, it's seal, defend, breathe, and then the different the 7 elements of the system that go along with that. It's a very simple concept. It stays high level for homeowners. They understand it. Once you get past that, then go to the fun part, start picking out color shingles.